Today's video, in this video we are going to talk about this set. What is a set and what is the type of sets and what is the function of set. Basically, uh, how can we define the set? Set is a collection of distinct objects. Uh, if we choose different objects of different types, then just like a furniture that includes table, chair, maze, etc. That would call be our set. Just like its other example is set of natural numbers, uh, which is denoted by n, capital N, and it start from 1 and up to infinity, and up to which you can want to stop. And the other set of a set is a whole number, which is denoted by W, which is started from 0 and up to infinity. The other types of set is set of integers. Set of positive prime number set of integers is denoted by z, and it starts from 0. It includes 0 and also plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and both positive or negative values. In integers, in prime numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by its table. So it includes 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on, and it is denoted by p, capital P. Set of odd numbers includes positive 1, positive 3, positive 5, and that numbers which are not divisible by 2, and it is denoted by O, capital O. And the other types of set is set of even numbers, that is denoted by E, and which is 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and maybe so on, or we can say that which are divisible by 2. सही है. Then हमारे पास set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers includes the perfect squares, the terms which are on taking root converted to a simple numbers, and the terms which are recurring in decimals or can be written in the form of fractions. And the other form of set is a set of irrational numbers that includes pi, which values is not recurring and cannot be expressed in the form of fractions, or maybe then under root 2, that are not recurring. And the last one set is a set of real numbers. It includes both the rational number and the irrational number. Rational number is denoted by q, and irrational number denoted by q bar. Then there are some functions which we can perform on sets, that are union, intersection, delta, or difference, or change, or product, or cross, or multiplication, that we can do on these sets. Now we move towards the types of sets. There are many types of sets, a few of which I define now, and then furthermore, then when the topics are come, then we are look on the types of sets according to the questions. But there are some types of sets which we are discussed below, which we are discussed now. The first type of set is null set. Null set is a type of set there is no element present in this set. It is denoted by a simple empty bracket or a phi, sign of phi. There are second type of set is finite set. Finite set include only numbers that's starting point and ending points are known, just like a given set, just that is 1, 2. The starting point is known and the ending point is also known. The third type of set is infinite set. It may be in this type of set, maybe its starting point may be known, or ending point is not known, or maybe starting point is unknown and the ending point is known. So the sets in which ending or starting point is unknown is called infinite set. In this now the other type of set is equal set. It is a type of set in which number of elements are same, the quantity of elements are same in the set, both sets, and the elements are same, just like a set. If we write a equals to 1, 2, and b equals to also 1, 2, So the quantity are same. There are two number of elements, 1 and 2, and the second set the quantity of the element is 2, 1 and 2. But also elements are same. In the first set there are two elements, that is 1 and also 2, and in the second set B, the elements are also same, that is 1 and 2. So this type of set is called equal set. The second one set is equivalent set. In this type of sets the number of elements are same only. uh, Only the numbers of elements are same, not the elements are same. So if the set contains the element uh, 1 2 and the other set contain element 2 3, so this is called the equivalent set, because the quantity of the element are same but the elements are not same. So we can say that equal set is also equivalent set, and equivalent set neither be a equal set. If a set A contains the element major element and the other set contains the elements just like it, in the example that I show, A is contain the 1 2 3 element and B contain 2 3. The element of A is also present in B but not all the element. So this type of set is called a subset, or we can write it as A is the subset of B. Sorry, we have to correct it. B is a subset of A. So then there are other types of subset, that is proper subset and improper subset. In this type of subset, A is the major set or the universal set, and the B, which is the subset which contain not the all elements of the A set which contains not all the element of the A less than element of A, quantity of A, then is called a proper subset. Improper subset, in this type of subset the elements of A and B both are equals and same. So the both sets are said to be B is a improper subset of A and A is a proper subset of. Now we move toward the notations of a set. How can we write a set? There are three types of notations in which we can write a set. Number one is tabular form. In the tabular form, the main element of the set are given just like a set A, which contains element 1 2 3. Tabular form. In the tabular form, the main elements are given. The second type of form in which the set can be written in the descriptive form. In this type of as form, you have notations. This sets the major information about the set is given, just like a set which is given above, whose information is that A is a set of first three number of natural numbers. The sets of first three numbers of natural numbers, then the set would be a above one. Then the third types of notation is tabular form. In this types of notations, we write as A is a set of X where all X belongs to natural number such that X is less than 4. Uh, in this type of form, we only denote the set by the symbols only. To define the set, those elements are present in the sets. If you learn anything from my video, understand anything from my video, then you can subscribe and like my channel. uh, that is easy to learn and for my appreciation. Thank you. And for more videos, subscribe and click the bell button to get more videos on the times that I will upload. And for more practice problem, you have to check my channel.